Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make this paper angel for my Christmas tree. These are materials and measurements which I'll be using to create my paper angel. First I'm pleating this card paper and I'm creating pleats 1 centimeter wide, and I will be pleating whole sheet. After I've pleated all sheets, I have folded my sheets in half like that, opening, and I'm marking the center 4 centimeters of the top, and I'm cutting that open to create the angel wings. And now I'm folding down each wing on each side like that. Next, I will apply all of the embellishments. First, I'm using this line which is 25 centimeters long, pulling through that bead which will be angel's head, making a knot at the end like that. Applying glue in the middle of the angel, gluing that end of the line there with the knot, applying more glue to glue the angel's head down in the middle there. And now I'm applying the angel wings and I'm gluing that down on each side. Next, I'm applying this silver flower on the angel's centered neck. Next, I'm applying this silver embellishment and I'm gluing that down on the top of the angel's head. And my paper angel for my Christmas tree is finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions how I made this paper angel, please do comment down below on the comment box. I wish you all happy holidays and I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.